I have 24 acoustic panels in 2 different colours, black and grey, which is what I chose. These are from a company called JBER, or JBER, not sure how you pronounce that. And the sizes, in case anyone wants to know, is, and it's in inches, just in case, is 14, 12 by 0.4. So the 0.4 be the thickness. And they've already got sticky back, in case you need to just stick them on. Now, originally, I was going to stick them on the wall behind my computers, yeah, to make it more quieter. But I've come up with a better idea, believe it or not. And I've checked with the wife and she agrees. And what I'm going to do is put them in the bedroom. Because in the bedroom, we have a TV on a unit and the wall is attached to another house, and I'm thinking that they can hear the TV when we put it on, whether it be on early in the morning or late at night. We don't have it up loud, but I'm sure they can hear it. Now, with the acoustic panels on there, it should get rid of that noise, and that is my plan. What do you think? Good idea? Bad idea? I think it's a good idea myself, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Acoustic panels on the bedroom wall. Obviously, I want to do some sort of pattern, and I was thinking, like it is at the moment, like that. So they go like that, and maybe interlock them sort of thing on the way down. I will lay it all out on the floor as I'm going to put them up, or before I put them up, just to say, right, this is how I'm going to do it, and make sure it all fits in there nicely, and then do it.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
what do you think? I know what you're going to say. Yeah, it's not covering all the water. The noise is still going to get through. Yes, but it's going to dampen it. Also, I've got one spare bit left, and I was thinking on the left-hand side, where the TV is at an angle, there's a couple of spaces there, and I thought, I'm going to see if I can cut one of these, I'm not saying it's going to work, in half, and put that down there. Now, if it does work, I could order another pack, or even another 2 packs, and stick them in the odd bits, and fill up the whole wall perhaps. Let's have a go, see if I can actually cut it first. Like I said, I'm not sure if this is going to work, but I'm going to give it a go. So, there. I'm going to score it first with my knife. And it moved. God. Yes, it's a bit slippery. Perhaps I should have done it on the other side. I don't know. It might be better on this side, actually. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But at least I tried it. I'm not sure. Like I said, it's sort of working. So I'm just making sure I don't tear me mat. It's nearly there. Gone off a bit there, isn't it? Let's see if I can save it round this side. It's a bit rough, but it might work, and I'm going to try it. Right, it did fit, and it fit quite easily, really. And the only issue I had was with the cutting, and that's probably because my Stanley knife, or Stanley blade, wasn't sharp enough. It's quite an old blade. I need to get some new ones. But it works, yeah. So, but I will need some more, won't I, to fill the rest of it in. So I'm thinking about getting some more in the near future. Let me know whether I should or not, or whether I should do the old wall. I've only done around the TV because, you know, that's where most of the noise is going to be, isn't it? When we're watching TV. Not going to be anywhere else, is it? So with that, yes, I left it for a few days because I want to make sure it actually works or actually does something a little bit different. And it does. The TV actually, or the TV speakers actually sound different. They sound not so echoey, they sound dampened. That's the word, dampened. Yeah, definitely dampened, and it has reduced the noise I can hear from next door. Hasn't completely got rid of it, and that's because I haven't covered the whole wall, or both sides of the wall. I need to do the right hand side of the wall as well as the left hand side of the wall. That makes sense. It'll make sense to me anyway. But there is definitely an improvement in the way the sound of the actual speakers from the TV sound. They've definitely been dampened down. They're not so echoey. Yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up. If you're looking for something where you want to reduce the acoustics or improve your acoustics, these might be perfect for you. As always, I will stick the links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. And yeah, gets my thumbs up. I wish I bought more, or wish they sent me more. I could do with probably another 4 or 5 packs because I'd like to finish that wall off, you know, cutting it as well. And obviously I needed a sharper Stanley knife. That was quite an old blade in there, and I thought it'd be alright, but obviously you want to make sure it's nice and sharp and you can get clean edges. I was quite surprised how well I actually fitted them bits in as well. I'm not sure how easy it would be to cut the top bits up because I've got them little pointy things sticking up, haven't I? And I'm thinking, that might be a bit more trickier if I buy some more. Let me know whether you think I should do both sides of the walls, and also, should I do the actual chimney stack as well? Let's see, there's an idea, because technically it's a double layer, isn't it? Chimney stacks, 2 layers of brick. with a void in between. Interesting, eh? It's a good, interesting discussion to have. So with that, if you enjoyed this video and you want to help to support this channel, there are several different ways you can do it. One is to subscribe. Also click on the bell to get notified. Another way is click on Super Chat and do a small donation. All donations will go back into the channel, whether it's for buying more equipment or upping the game or quality of videos and audio, things like that. All that supports the channel. So with that, I know what to do. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumb down and consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching.